Hi, friends. Welcome to Moments with Mershai, where we talk about lifestyle, food, fun, and travel. Today, we're going to be talking about a bag from Coach. But before we get into this review, I asked if you could please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow this channel and I can bring more content. So let's get into this review. Today's bag, it is the Bandit from Coach. Yay. It is classified as a shoulder bag, but it also has functionality of a crossbody with a very long strap. I'm 5'5", and when I wear this bag on my shoulder, it hits me above the hip. When I wear it crossbody, it hits me right at the hip if I wear it as a crossbody. It is a wonderful bag. I've had it for a bit. It is about 9 inches across. It's about 6 inches high, and it's got a depth of probably about 3 inches in terms of depth. It has a full pocket on the back. That's great for putting your cell phone. If you're at the mall somewhere and you need a place to put your parking slips for your car, for the garage, this does very well with holding those. You don't have to worry about them falling out. The inside of the bag has a pocket here in the back. You also have another pocket on the inside with a snap. You have the center pocket, and you have a fourth pocket in the front. So in the front, it will easily hold your cell phone. In the center, it's a great place for your keys, your makeup, your carry-alls. This back pocket here, like I said, with your parking slips, great place for that. It also will, I put my hand cream in there. It works very well. And then you also have this pocket in the back. So you get quite a few pockets. This bag comes in 4 colors. One color is white with a white C. They have ivory with a gold C. They have this beautiful stone color with a brass C, and then you have the black with the silver C. So it comes in these 4 colors. You can wear them year round. They're neutrals. They work well with a lot of things that may be in your wardrobe. The bag generally goes for $5.50, but right now, it's on sale for $3.85. So if you do a little girl math, you can justify the purchase because you're saving yourself some money. And yes, we do have a guest back here. Say hi, honey. She wants to wear the bag too. So while you're out shopping for everybody else, swing into Coach, try the bag on, see if you like it. And like I said, you can save yourself some money. It makes a great holiday gift for someone else or for yourself. Thank you for supporting this channel, for listening to this review. And if you could please click on like and subscribe. Give us some comments because I enjoy engaging with my friends.